现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for another Hakka song on Icrt. My name is Joseph Lin. Now, this month we've been sharing music by musicians that are inspired by their parents, and this is another example. Her name is Icrt Ting with a track called Voi Ki Demo, which means Do You Remember? This song was written for her father about how humans are mortal, and as we get older, our parents will become aged, and she only hopes that those memories of good times together will not be forgotten. So let's take a listen to Voi Ki Demo.
总为路因你也强容，为唔爱你信任后竟你莫解都梦讲，唔记得自家无卡奈为到自己面容，爱上多了为希望你的身体爱健康，还记得细细嘅世界，当靠错的你嘅脚步。
爱唱歌的叶玉婷啊，是上大学才开始接触吉他以及创作哦。那2010年，她得到了台湾原创流行音乐大奖客语组的佳作，让她信心大增哦。那这首你会记得吗 ？Voi Ki Demo 是写给她父亲的歌。这个人啊，有生老病死，当我们年纪渐长啊，父母也会年华老去。希望相处的美好回忆呢，不要被忘记了。所以 Voi Ki Demo 就是你会记得吗 ？Another beautiful track inspired by parents right here on Icrt, and that does it for today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.